When your Hitachi TV remote stops working, the problem is usually one of two basic issues: dead batteries or blocked infrared sensors. Let's tackle these step by step. 60% of remote control problems are caused by battery issues. Start by completely removing the old batteries and installing fresh alkaline batteries. Pay careful attention to the plus and minus symbols to ensure correct polarity. Incorrect polarity is a common mistake that prevents the remote from working even with new batteries. If you see white or green buildup around the battery contacts, that's corrosion. Clean it carefully with rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab before installing new batteries. Now let's move to the second most common issue: infrared sensor problems. Use your smartphone camera to test if the remote's infrared LED is working. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a purple or white light flashing on your phone screen. If you don't see any light, the remote's infrared LED has failed and you'll need a replacement remote. If the infrared LED is working, the problem might be dust or obstructions. Clean both the infrared transmitter on your remote and the infrared receiver on your TV. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris. Most importantly, ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and TV. Remove any objects that might block the infrared signal. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 85% of remote control problems. If your remote still isn't working after checking batteries and cleaning sensors, you may need more advanced solutions. When basic battery and sensor cleaning don't resolve your Hitachi TV remote issues, it's time for advanced troubleshooting methods. First, let's perform a complete remote control reset. This process clears any electronic glitches that may be preventing proper operation. Remove the batteries from your remote and wait exactly 60 seconds. This allows all internal capacitors to fully discharge. Next, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds while the batteries are out. This drains any residual electrical charge from the remote's circuits. Finally, reinstall the batteries with correct polarity and test your remote. This reset resolves most electronic glitches and communication errors. If the remote reset doesn't work, the next step is resetting your TV itself. We'll start with a simple soft reset. For a soft reset, simply unplug your TV from power for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary software glitches without affecting your settings. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, you may need a factory reset. Warning: this will erase all your TV settings and return it to original defaults. When all else fails, alternative control methods can restore functionality to your TV. These solutions bypass the original remote entirely. Universal remotes are cost-effective replacements that work with most Hitachi TV models. They typically cost between $10 and $25 and provide full functionality. Smartphone apps like the Hitachi TV Remote app turn your phone into a fully functional remote control. These apps work over your home Wi-Fi network. Modern smart TVs also support voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, providing hands-free operation for basic functions like power, volume, and channel changes. These advanced troubleshooting methods and alternative solutions ensure you can always control your Hitachi TV, even when the original remote fails completely.